Gangster and I are down here on Chuckanut, and we have brought the little hard kayak back. It's now Saturday, and it's really calm. And so I wanted to paddle out around down into like Fairhaven or wherever I can, just kind of see how it goes. But I came out Thursday on purpose when it was super windy just to test the whitewater capabilities, and I didn't make it very far. So basically made it to the point and had to turn around because it was just so crazy. The wind was kicking up every 10 minutes, 5 minutes it seemed like. So anyways, it's Saturday. It's a lot calmer. I'm going to bring the little kayak and just kind of cruise the coast, take some pictures, do some drone hopefully, and kind of go from there. It's not supposed to be as hot, which is like really cool. So I'm going to hang out with the cat a little bit today, see if we can get into some trouble. And it is Catterday, so how you doing? And so yeah, I'm going to give him some treats, see what he gets up to today. See if I can bring him a starfish back, and maybe we can cook him up some lunch or something. So we'll see. Chuckanut, and I'm heading towards kind of like Fairhaven that way, and the boat launch is over there. And yeah, we're just kind of cruising around and gonna try and avoid the wind, and it's pretty choppy actually, so we're just gonna cruise around and see how it goes, try and get some cool photos, maybe some drone footage of the coast, and then make it back before it gets too gnarly. Because this little boat doesn't seem to be the best in the ocean or the big wave stuff, so we'll play it safe and go kind of dink around and see how she goes today. Should be a beautiful morning for it. So far, it's been pretty wavy. The kayak's been doing all right, but it might be the length of it, and it's just kind of confused seas out here right now. So I'm kind of just trying to find calmer water. I'm gonna head back towards the boat launch and head towards like Larrabee State Park and see if I can get any smoother water over there. It just looks like the wind is kind of kicking up. There's some white caps out there now, so it was smart to come early, but maybe another day. So yeah, it's really way too windy to take pictures, and it's to hold the drone steady. I don't feel safe with all the waves just kind of randomly rolling in, so it'd be hard to kind of control and focus and do everything. So so I think I'm just gonna cruise around and enjoy the morning sun here, and I will let you guys follow along as I head over towards Larrabee State Park. So as you can see, we're heading out even farther from the boat launch again, but it's still pretty wavy. Not white capping is hard, but along the coast it seems somewhat safe. So just kind of cruising along in here, and pop another battery in the GoPro and just keep cruising. It's a beautiful coastline. It's just there's no sun on it and it's really wavy, so it'd be really hard to take pictures, and doing the drone would not be very comfortable. So we're just gonna do the GoPro and hang out, and should be a fun morning. The nice thing is paddling into the wind, you get to come back with it, so that's kind of nice. So I'll be surfing on the way home. That'll be kind of fun. There's definitely some white caps right over here as we head out there. So the closer I stay to shore, the smoother it is, and it should be pretty fun. Beautiful morning, just a little windy for what I was trying to do with the camera and drone on the coast. It was really cool to kind of cruise around and see the coastline from angles and perspectives you've never seen. And there's a whole bunch of houses over here to the right, and I had no idea those were even there, so that was kind of cool to see. Beautiful little protected coves, really fun. So yeah, I'm going to come back and do that when there's sun on both of those coasts, and get some drone and photo on a smoother day. Would be nice. So that's kind of the idea. But that was really cool to go on the ocean and kind of just check it out like that.